Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm Amy.
I'm Amanda.
And this is Chaos Break. Today we have the Walmart, is it called Beauty Box?
Yeah.
Walmart Beauty Box to open. Want to see what is in there this month? Sit back. This time, sit back. Take a break with us.
Sit back so you don't get hit.
So the Walmart Beauty Box is seasonally, so
Yep.
4 times a year. And
it's $5.
$5.
So far, I like it.
I keep meaning to sign up for this one. I keep forgetting.
As an advertiser to enter to win $100.
More
Sometimes there's
advertising.
coupons, and sometimes there's just advertisement of what's in there. So far, just advertisement of what's in there. We don't want spoilers, so. What?
Oh, I'm looking in there. Unicorn
glow hydrogen
hologram.
I'm sorry, I didn't read. I can't read or speak. It's okay.
I dipped strawberries for 9 hours today. I think I already saw that in another video and dealt with people, and
That's cute. I like unicorns.
That is cute.
That's like the one girly thing about me is I like unicorns.
I wonder what
And
it'll
I like
look
them
like.
first. You hear me?
Yeah, she's liked them for a long time, and she's old.
Wow.
What's next?
Pantene Intense Rescue Shots. What is that word?
I don't know. Ampoule?
Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends.
So a hair treatment?
Cool. Can always use that. Curiel. I don't know. Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. Apply daily and experience soft, healthy glow you could only imagine. Water-activated moisture works deep into surface skin. So, while you're in the shower? After your shower, maybe?
After showering or bathing, apply, to wet skin.
These are fun.
Too bad you gotta go to work because we could do that right now.
I love lip masks. They're so funny.
Do you actually feel a benefit? I think I have some still today. I got my lip monthly, I think.
I probably don't put them on as long as they're supposed to. You know, it's
They
kinda
always
hard
slide
to sit
off.
still.
Right.
And I don't sit still. Olay. Daily facials. I'm trying to read really hard, but it's hard to focus on these words. Daily hydrating clean. 5-in-1 cleansing power. Makeup remover is a wipe.
Just one.
What's it for?
Remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Even mascara, 2 times better than basic cleansing. 1 dry cloth. Just add water. That's cool. That's dry in there.
And some shampoo.
You get that a lot.
I actually have 5 of these at home.
So it's the Garnier Whole Blend.
So not from Walmart, but it's just
Different
they just
places.
collect them.
Yes.
And then there's a cute little pursy.
Look at bag.
It's got a design and a
Walmart logo. I swear I can speak. That's really cute.
I like it. I mean, I think that's worth $5, don't you?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's fun. I like it. I keep meaning to sign up for that one. I should really
Maybe
do
I'll
it.
try to remind you sometime.
Okay. Yeah, I thought you were going to say I'll try to remember you.
We'll try to remember you. And I'll try to remind you, too. But no promises.
Oh, my goodness. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you like unboxings, makeup related things, trying new things, subscribe.
Watching people be weird.
Yeah, we're pretty random, and this is called Chaos Break for a reason.
It's true. We didn't realize how well chosen our name was at first.
No. But anyways, if you like videos like that, please subscribe before you go. It'd be so great for you.
We would love to have you. It would be great to have you. We can speak. We
All
can
of those
read.
things. Today is just an unusual. We're trying to cram this in, and
I gotta go to work.
yep, time is limited.
I'll
so
probably burn down the store tonight.
probably burn down the store. Oh boy.
I try not to burn down the store, but I do try not to.
Amanda's in the hospital. You're gonna have to come in. Oh wait, you can't because the store's gone.
Oh. Well,
sometimes I have dreams that if only that were
that
true.
Amanda burned down the store. I believe it.
Alright, now we're rambling. Have a great, great day. Subscribe before you go. And we post new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, sometimes in between. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.